Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 2nd of July 2020. This is our first strategy for the month of July 2020. Today we'll be trading the Forex market on the deriv.app interface. As you can see, we've logged in. Really, before we move on, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boat, the version 3.0 is still much effective and is still working perfectly. We follow the guide we sent to all buyers, those who have purchased the boats. This is a link again to purchase the boat. For those who haven't purchased the boats, www.touchscalper.ctystechnology.com.ng. Here are some of the features of these boats. You can see right here. There are some features of the boats right here, and here are some of the few results. You can see today is 2nd of July. This was run about a few minutes ago. These are some of the results as well right here. These are some of the results. Here's a link again to purchase the boats, www.touchscalper.ctystechnology.com.ng. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. Just subscribe to both channels for more upcoming strategies. So here again are the links to purchase the boats. Just visit this link. These are the features again for these boats. Here's the link. For those who don't have a trading account, this is a link to sign up for a free trading account. We'll put all these infos on the video description on YouTube. Just expand the video description on YouTube to access all this. So this is the link to our channel, the first channel. We'll be dropping more videos there, so subscribe to this channel and subscribe to the other channel as well. So, and these are the rules for the strategy we are dropping now. So let's get back to the trade. So as you can see, we have logged in. So once you log into the deriv.app trading interface, that's the new binary.com interface, you can use the same login details you use for your binary.com account to log in. So just click on the D trader at the top left corner right there, then you choose the D trader. If you are using our boats, you click on D boats. If you want to run our boat, once you click on D boats, then right here you just click on workspace, then it will take you to where you will load the boats. All you need to do is to just click on play for the boat to start running. You can also change your payouts, your stake amount before you click on play. So let's get back to the trading. So you click on D trader, then here you choose the market you want to trade. Like I stated earlier, we'll be trading the Forex. If you want to trade volatility, you click on synthetic indices. So we'll be trading the Forex market. So once you click on Forex, you just scroll down to Euro USD, which I've clicked on right here. So once you click on it, you have to change the chart type to one tick. You click on area, then you choose one tick. So this thing must be moving. You must be seeing the movement of this. Once it's towards the middle level, we are going to be clicking on rise. So let's set the trade type. So all you need to do is to click on ups down, then you click on rise fall. You click on rise fall. You can see I've already choose that. Then you change this to minutes. You change this to minutes. Just change it to minute, then set your minutes to 3 minutes. Then here you have to click on payout. Don't click on stake. If you click on stake, you'll be staking the whole 30 USD, but if you click on payout, you will be staking about half of this. So you can change the amount stake you want to stake. You can enter 60. It depends on what you have in your account. So here I'm going to change this back to 30. So the payout is 30. Then we'll be clicking on rise. We are going to be placing 3 trades. So we'll be clicking on rise when this tip, this red tip, is at the middle. We'll be clicking on rise when it's at the middle towards this area. You can see where I have I want it to fall a bit, so we'll be clicking on rise. I have to wait for it to go down a bit. So once it's at this level, we'll be clicking on rise. Okay, that's the first one. After a few seconds again, when it's at that level, we'll click on rise again. We'll place 3 trades. If you are using this strategy, just a brief note, we might encounter some loss, but if you place 3 trades, we can't sell at market. We are actually at profit, but we can't sell at market there, so we have to wait for the trade to close. If you place 3 trades, even if you lose 1 trade and you win 2 trades, so you still make $30 profit, because this is the stake amount right here, though it's not fixed. I want it to drop a bit before I click on the next trade. So if you lose 2 trades, if you lose 1 trade and you win 2 trades, you'll still be in profit. You'll be in profit. So let's go for the second one right there, and after we'll go for the third one. We can go for the third one right now. So we place 3 trades, and we are going to wait for the outcome of the 3 trades here. This is the last one, is the second one, and if you scroll down here, you will see the first one. So we are going to wait. We still have about 1 minute. This is the time count right here for this one, and this one as well. So before you click on purchase, make sure this chart movement is tip here. Make sure it's towards the middle area here, towards this area. Don't let it go down to this edge. Make sure it's around this area before you click on purchase. So let's wait for the outcome of the 3 trades. Actually, all the trades are currently in profit now, but we have to wait for it, all the trades to close. So this is our payout. This is our purchase price, 15.3553. So if you win all the trades, we will have made that's 30, that's 90 USD, including the amount we stake. So that means we will make about 15 USD plus or so. That will be $45 for the 3 trades. If you win the 3 trades, sell at market is not available. We will have closed all the trades, because all the trades are currently in profit. We will have closed them and just raking $30 right there. So I will only trade 1 time here, but you can use the strategy again, because we have to drop another strategy today. So I will only allow this one to close. So we are close to this one already. You can see we already won this one. The first one is closed already. So we'll wait for the outcome of the remaining 2 trades. So we already won 30. So like I stated earlier, even if you lose 1 trade, we will still be in profit, because if you lose 1 trade, we are actually losing just 15.53 USD. So that means we will have made $30 if you win 2 trades. So we will still be in profit of 15 point something dollars. So let's wait for, we still have some few seconds left. So make sure before you click on purchase right here, make sure this movement is towards this level. Don't let it go right down. Make sure it's towards the middle level, just right here. Then don't click on the purchase. Immediately you place the first trade. Just make sure it's at that level again before you click the second, place the second trade towards this area. You can see where my cursor is right here. So let's wait for the outcome of this one. Is already closed already. As you can see, we've already won that one, and we've already won this one, because the network is kind of slow right here. That's why it's not changing. The time has lapsed already. So we won all the trades. So because I have to drop another strategy right now, so I'm going to be stopping here. You can see we won all the trades. Here is plus 14 point something plus what. So with these 3 trades, our stake amount was about 45, and the profit is about 99.0%. so we made about $45 just within some few minutes right there. So like I stated earlier, don't forget to purchase the boat. We'll be releasing latest update very soon. We are working on it and we want to get it right. So once it's out, we will release it and send it to all those who have previously purchased the boat. This is a link again to purchase the boats, and these are some of the results of the boats. You can see these are some of the results of the boats right here as well. And subscribe to our channels for more upcoming strategies. Thanks for watching. Bye.